Hola y bienvenidos a Español con Maestra Bowman. This is your Moodle site. You received the login for this website from the office. This is where our class is housed. This is where all your assignments are. This is where you submit your assignments. So this is the place that you start from. This is not where the Spanish lessons are located. Those are on a separate website, and you can find that link right here. That's the Rosetta Stone website link. When you arrive to this website, you can find my contact information, tech support from Rosetta Stone if you're having any trouble with the Spanish lessons themselves. There's that website link again. This course info section contains 3 video tutorials from Rosetta Stone on how to use their language training lessons, extended learning games, and live tutoring. Please be aware that Rosetta Stone Live Tutoring will no longer be available after August 31st. So I'm asking that you do your best to complete those tutoring sessions by that date. And as we get closer to that date, I'll be giving more information. Under course documents, you can find the course syllabus, which lays out all the assignments that are required for this course. This is your key document right here. Get to know this one very well. You will need this information when you fill out your activation assignment worksheet. Any information that's asked of you in this worksheet will either be found up here in the course syllabus and other course documents, or you will be Googling it. It'll be internet research. The rest of the course documents, there's some additional information if you're curious about what all of the units cover, what you're going to be learning in this course. Class announcements forum is right here. You will also be subscribed to it. So if I make a post in the forum, you should receive it in your email. I have laid out this course in a 15-week format, mainly just to help you organize, to set the pace, to kind of determine at what point certain activities should be handed in. That does not mean that you have to complete this course in 15 weeks. You have 1 full year, but 15 weeks is the minimum amount of time that you can complete this course in. So the first place to start, week 1, is complete this worksheet and hand it in to the hand-in box. Then you can use this link to set up an appointment with me, to meet with me and kind of assess your level and go over the lessons together, make sure that you're good to go and you know how to use the program. In order to hand in an assignment, this symbol is the hand-in box, and you'll see that all throughout for all the different assignments. So when you're ready to submit something, click on the hand-in box and then click Add Submission. It'll give you the option to upload a file. You can either go into your computer's folder of documents and drag a file and drop it in, or you can click this icon right here, Add, Browse, and it will pull up all the documents on your computer. You could select the one you want, hit Open, and it will upload to there, and then you can select Upload this file. And it will notify me that you have added a submission, and I will grade it, and then you'll receive a feedback document from me. After you have submitted an assignment, you can access your gradebook on the left in this menu that allows you to navigate around the course as well. In the gradebook, under your user report, you will be able to see each assignment. It will either be blank if you've not yet submitted it, or it will have a number value here if it has been graded. So you'll have a grade for each assignment that you've submitted, a total percentage for that category, and then down at the bottom under course total, you will find your current average score for the course. To return to the home page, go back to this panel and click the name of the course. It will return you to the home page. Other tools that we have are the self-pacing guide on the right-hand side. Now you can't see this right now because I'm in student mode, but if I switch to teacher mode, you can see the self-pacing guide. This is something that you can set up for yourself based on your personal deadline of when you would like to finish the course, and it will give you some suggested deadlines for assignments. These are not required. There's no penalty for a late assignment per se, but it's for your own benefit to help you pace yourself. Back down here in the assignments, it's a good idea when you're first starting in the course to read through the entire page. Make sure that you're aware of all of the assignments that are required for this course. Read the instructions so that you know what's coming up. For example, this journal project is something that you start right away as soon as you begin your Rosetta Stone lessons, but it's not due until the end of week 10. So you won't find the hand-in box for that until week 10, but it's something that you should begin on right away. If you have any questions about this course, any questions about the lessons or the program, please feel free to contact me. You can send me an email at this email address. You can Skype me. You can make an appointment to meet with me via this link. It will take you to a Google spreadsheet. And when you're ready for that appointment, you can either do it on Skype or you can click this link to go to my Zoom room. So these are all excellent ways to contact me if you have questions or if you need help. So welcome to my course. I'm glad you're joining me this year, and I hope you have a great time learning Spanish.